Yes, there are a whole lot of options for me to play with as well. Yeah, helicopter is just flying figure eight. My radio is down there. My sticks here. There you are, people. This is as low as it can get and holding its position. Once the software is released, I will definitely share my settings with you for Huey UH-1. So you can basically just copy these settings in your assist program for your Huey UH-1 and enjoy flying it like you stole it. So there's a lot of improvement right here, people. I am simply loving it. A lot of improvement.